In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to join friends pro clubs on EAFC 24. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Joining and managing all of your pro clubs in EAFC 24 is extremely simple. All that you have to do is first, from the main menu or the home screen of the game, go over to the clubs category. If you have never gone to this window, you might have to create your avatar first and set up your profile, but once this is done and you can take your time to customize everything according to your preferences, you will be able to find all the options to manage your existing clubs. First, if you aren't part of a club, like I mentioned, you will be able to go ahead and join one from here. If your friend already has a club that you wish to join, they will be able to go over to the club management window and send you a direct invite. You can go over to join clubs as I've highlighted here and browse through all of them. Usually there is going to be a dedicated Friends Club tab, and if you switch over, you should be able to find all of your friends clubs and also any direct invites that they might have sent. I recommend that they go over and they send the invite for you to make sure that you get the notification and that the option to join becomes available. So once you find their club, just go ahead, select it, and choose the option to join the club. You should be able to see the exact name of the club, the friend who sent the invite, and then all of the other details. And you can access the clubs section at any time. If you don't see it here, like I said, they might have to go back and make sure that they sent the invite, and afterwards it's always going to be available for you to manage, see the progress, see the unlocks, see the stats, and so on. So just select the Clubs tab from the home screen and you will be good to go to manage your clubs or even create one if your friend is not able to invite you. I hope I was able to help you on how to join Friends Pro Clubs EAFC 24. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.